How to use Kittl to make cover page. So your first step to doing this is to create a new project. So click on the three horizontal lines, click on new project, and you'd have your new project set up. Now the next step you have to follow is quite simple, which is basically choosing a template. This is optional as templates already have existing materials such as text, elements, and other graphics inside. So all you need to do is just use the search and simply search for book cover and hit enter, and some book covers should show up. So you can go with any of these options for your covers. So let's say you want to use something like this. This is a premium feature, so you do have to take note of that, but you can still use other features or other covers if you so choose to. Now, if you also want to create your design yourself, all you need to do is just simply add your main title. To do that, click on the text option here, and then you can either add a headline or a paragraph, or you could go with some of the templates that already exist like gradients, title pairs, badges, decorated, text, and much more. So once you have selected what you want, just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to appear on the blank sheet here. And then you can just simply click on it and simply edit the content. Alright, so once you're done, you can also add images and graphics. To add an image, just head over to Photos, that is the AI gallery, and then you can either use AI artwork here. You could search for an AI artwork and place it here, or you could go with direct photos such as trending photos, or you could look up something like a picture of a cat and simply place it here. The next thing you can also do is to customize the colors and layouts. So to do that, just click on the project. You could customize the project colors by clicking on here and then selecting one of the colors on the dial, and you could just simply affect the opacity by either increasing or decreasing it. Alright, and then once you're done, you can now preview it by just zooming out. Just close all of these options here, and then you can simply preview your design. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on export and simply download it as either a PNG, or you can download it as a JPEG and just click on export, and that's it. Alright guys,